Kira, what are the opportunities for Ring Central? I mean, is the on-premise phone dead? I mean, I have an office phone, but I don't even know what the phone number is, to be honest. It's my cell phone. That's how you get a hold of me.
Right, yeah. So there's definitely an opportunity to kind of reimagine what a phone system is. And, you know, we are a phone system fundamentally. Somewhere I have my mobile phone. Usually it's with me. Our application runs on a mobile phone. And we go to market and think of everything that we do as mobile first today. And we have been for a while. And what does that mean? That actually doesn't mean just yet that our customers don't buy desktop phones. They all buy desktop phones, or 90% of them still do. And that's because change is difficult, and people are just used to do things the way that they're used to do things. And what we're seeing is mobile adoption is especially rapid among newer companies, not older companies, where the decision maker is the new CEO, for example, as opposed to maybe an old style IT person that's looking at the old PBX system and saying, okay, I just want the compatibility and features, therefore I'm going to go buy a new phone system still with desktop phones. So we sell plenty of desktop phones, but the way we operate is really think of it as mobile first. And what does that mean? That means location independence. That means that the system is always with you. That means that configurability is easy. That means that you could be an administrator and you could be a user, and the system should be just as easy to maneuver and adjust. That means that regardless whether you have 10 users or 10,000 users, the difficulty of administration shouldn't be, you know, a factor of, you know, 100. And so having that focus allows us to essentially go in and replace existing PBX systems with agility, which and rapid adoption. So the long-winded answer, I think, you know, there's still room for old-style PBX systems because there are some very specialized functions that they do fulfill that will take us a while to get into. But as a general use case, you know, Mike here is promising to be a customer. We're a customer of Hoopla.
Promises.
Hillary is a customer.
Are both of them?
Right.
That's right.
And
a partner.
I'm going to start working at IBM next. So.
That's right. That's a public commitment.
Yes, yeah, got that on record.
I'm going to start department by department.
I love it. Well, you know, we think about the statistic of 66% of the people don't believe they need to be in the office anymore. And so this creates this sort of, hey, I've got my phone. Why do I have to come to work? And this challenge of the disconnected employee, and you know, so they're connected to email, but are they really connected back into the culture, into the company? And so we're looking at that problem and saying, you know, there's an opportunity here to use mobile to engage the employees, so that they're in the movie line and they're engaged at work. They're sort of they're involved in what's happening. They know what the performance of the company. They see what's going on with their peers, or you know, someone performing closing a deal. It's alerting everybody in the company, and that's a real opportunity to sort of take it and turn it around, right? And so mobile can be both a curse and a blessing at the same time. Mostly it's a great thing. So. You know, I think the changes that happen inside an office, right? All of a sudden you're not tethered to your desk. Well, now you're not tethered to the office. What does that actually mean for the workplace? And so that's an interesting challenge.